got Vinny's donut. Come on. Hi. Look. He's got his donut in the basement. He's going to eat it. Good boy. I'll hide over here. Behind my sister's plant. Did she miss me while I was gone? She did. Hi. Hi. Oh my goodness. Hello. Hello. You want to go outside? Yes. I got a treat for you too, but you got to go outside first. And a donut for Remy. You ready for the donut? There is Jenna. Isn't she cute? Jenny's behind her, I think. They're eating their food. And there's Miss Jenny. Eating her food. We went shopping at the dollar store. And look what we got, little doggy treats. These are made in Canada. They're not GMO. They're really good for digestion support, I guess. That's what it says. Sorry if it's a little dark. Can you see the ingredients? They kind of remind me of like honeycombs, but they're shaped as paw prints. Look at it. It looks so cute. Little paw print. You like it, Remy? Yeah, and I'm glad it's soft. Yes, Vinny already had one. I didn't film it, though. Good girl. There's Remy in the snow. There's snow. There's the snow. Hi, beautiful. Yeah. It's almost beautiful. Earlier it was rain mixed with snow, and now it's snowing. Today, I know I'm recording it late, it's the 9th. Hello! Wait. Oh, now you can see the snow falling right now. I have the flash on. Where did Remy go? Well, hello! Look at that. Oh my goodness. Look how gorgeous you are. Hello. Hey, look up. Oh. I was trying to get a cute picture. Where is it? Look at all the snow. You're gorgeous. Come here. Look at all that. He's so cute. Okay, come on. Go on back out. Get going. What are you doing? Get going. Go do zoomies. Go. Ready, run. She likes to do running. You got the ball. Oh my god, that's so cute. Get it. Kind of cold, Remy. Beautiful. Go do zoomies. Look at all the trees. Oh, there you go. Alright. Look at that. Oh my gosh, so beautiful. Remy's beautiful too. Hi. Go. Oh, go. Hey, come on. Alright, that's perfect. Why are you so beautiful? Look at how adorable you are. It is so cold. Alright, you just had to be fixing yourself. You look so cute. You were cold, so I decided to put a blanket on you. Oh, sweet girl. It is kind of cold in here, isn't it? Sweet dreams, baby girl. She is so adorable. Look at that. Go, Remy, go. Snow. Look at that. Just beautiful. And look at the sunrise, too. Oh, goody. Hey, Remy. Where'd Remy go? There she is. Look at those trees too. Oh, look at that little popper. I'm not sure whose that one is. It's cute. Remy! She's like, I don't care. Well, I'm in the snow. I was trying to get a picture. See the kind of sun there. That's okay. Pretty. Hi, gorgeous. Cutie. Come here. Hello! You got snow? Ready? Run! Ready? Go! Yeah! What do you think of the snow? Remy? Remy? Oh, where you going? Come here, Rem. Come here. Hi. Ready? Run! Run! Come on, go! Okay, come on. Let's go. Go! Remy is cute. Go, Remy, go. Run! Come here. You're so cute. Oh my gosh. Adorable. Get the ball around. Yes, get the ball. Get it. Vinny's time to go outside. Come on, Mr. Vin. There we go. Someone else is in the snow today. Ready? Come here. Come here. Come on, big guy. You are adorable. Get in here. So cute. Oh my goodness. Are you having fun? Yeah, I know. How's it going? You coming in? Yeah. Whoa, look at all the snow in the front. Alrighty, we're out here. She demanded me to go outside, so I'm outside now. Get it, Ram! Good girl. Nice. Now we're playing out here for a little bit. Look at all the snow that we were getting on her because I was kicking it and the snow kept getting on her. The ball and stuff. Woo! She's happy. Anything for you, Mrs. Demands everything. But today's the 10th. Forgot to say that. Woo! Good first snow day, huh? First snow of the year. First winter. Woo! Cold. Hi, puppies. They're going to be moving soon, guys. Their house is for sale. Guys, see the puppy? Shh. Hi. Hello. Hey. It's okay. It's okay. Oh, no. It's okay. You're whining too. Lay down. Lay down. Down. Lay down. Remy, down. Lay down. Good. Lay down. All the way down. Good girl. Look. Good girl. Oh my gosh, you're beautiful. I got the thing in my hand. And it's cold. Good girl. Trying to get a picture. Oh my gosh. It's so beautiful. Here, ready? She's like, well, I'm ready. Go! Nice catch. Oh, be careful. Okay, go. Oh, here, let me throw it this way. Kick it this way, okay? Oh, there we go. Go! Oh, no. Okay. It is freezing. My hands are cold. I forgot gloves, but since I'm recording. Go, Ben! Go, go, go! Why don't you do zoomies? The garden is officially over. Remy loves. Oh, there she goes. It's hot chocolate time now. Vinny's gonna enjoy some outdoor time one more time today. He is so cute. Hi, what are you doing? Are you having fun out here? It's cold. Hello, cutie. You're probably wondering why I don't play ball with Vinny. It's because he jumps, and I didn't want to be back outside. It's cold. Oh, and now she's sleeping. I think she got her wish. I went out there for her. She had fun. I had fun, even though it was freezing. We're supposed to get more snow tomorrow. Oh, hi. Did I wake you up? I'm sorry. Big stretch. But yeah, we're supposed to get a little bit more snow tomorrow. And then we're not supposed to have snow until probably the middle of December. We'll see. I do hope that we get snow for Christmas. Here's my hot cocoa. It was so delicious. I'm glad I had it. It's a perfect day for hot chocolate. Hug and love your pets. Don't stop believing self. Brace for today. I stop for every day. Sorry, it's long. But they are just so cute in the snow.